In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest method for downloading Vimeo videos. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and just type in SERP apps Vimeo downloader. And we're going to look for this one that says GitHub. And we'll click that. So this will take us to the GitHub SERP apps Vimeo video downloader page. Alternatively, if you want, you can just go to github.com/SERP apps. And then on the repositories area, you can just search for the Vimeo one, but it'll take you to the same place. So when you're on this page, on the right side, you might have to scroll down a little bit. It says releases. Click on the releases link. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the different browsers. So I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to download the Chrome one. I'll just click this and it will download a zip file to my computer. So wherever that downloads on your computer, just go to it and double click it so that it opens it unzips the zip file. And right here, this is the extension that we're going to install. So next, we're going to install this extension. Open up a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome://extensions. And when you get to this page, look at the top right area where it says developer mode. If it's gray and the button is like on the left, that means it's off. Just turn it on, turn it to blue so it's on. And that will allow you to have this button here on the left side that says load unpacked. And that'll allow you to load the extension we just downloaded. So click load unpacked, go to your computer, wherever your thing downloaded, and you unzipped it, and just select the thing, Vimeo downloader, click select, and you'll see here that put the extension available to us. If you click this little puzzle piece up here, you can pin it and it will act like all the other extensions that you've downloaded before. So now you're just gonna go to a page with a Vimeo video and click this, and the first time you do it, you just have to put in your email address and get a verification code to prevent spam. But once you go through that process, you'll be able to use the downloader. So I'll just do that quickly right now. All right, so I've verified. Now I just need to navigate to a page with a Vimeo video on it. So I'm gonna go to this page here that has a Vimeo video. And if I click play on the video, that will actually put the Vimeo video into my browser. And you'll see I get this little download button here, or if I click on the button, it'll say Vimeo detected on this page, and you can scroll down, choose a quality if that's available, and click download video. You can either download from the extension or just download from this little button on the video here. You can take a look at the progress, and when it's done, it'll download to your computer and be able to be played offline.